everybody! Today we're going to be doing a BB-8 unboxing.
Oh, remote control BB-8.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go and put batteries in them.
Okay.
So I'm putting batteries in them.
Oh, great.
I put them back in the box. Yup, he's already awake. Oh, here's his head. There's the head.
Okay.
Here's the remote control. And I put batteries in that too. And then here's the body. It's got a big magnet in it. Let's take this out. There. Then here's the two antennas.
Oh.
And then
The ones that Ray straightened in the movie. Remember, one was bent.
I think it was this one that was bent. Then you can just do that.
Okay.
And then I don't know what these buttons do. Comments down below if you know what these buttons do.
Okay.
I need to do something.
Okay. Oh, hello, BB-8.
Mommy, this pen has no ink.
Oh! Just spinning you around, BB-8. It's fine. Oh! Hello.
I got the remote control, guys.
Okay. All right, let me move out of the way so you can start.
This trigger is to move his head like this.
Oh, okay.
And then this is to move his body. Did you know that down is actually up? And up is actually down. And his head pops off really easily.
Yeah.
And I still got my little guy from last video. I'm gonna put him right there. These are all the stuff from last video that we've done.
Oh, okay. Let me move out of the way. Here's the box, just in case anybody's interested in purchasing this guy. Here's all the details. All right, let's see how he works. Okay, hold on.
So that because it doesn't really work.
Oh!
BB-8!
I've heard that he takes quite a bit to get used to.
And we just bought him yesterday. Nope. Online.
So it takes a lot to get used to driving him. We've had other reviews that haven't been so great. We've already seen his head fall off. Oh.
He just smacked his head onto the wall like this. Boom! Whoa! BB-8 is really hard to control. Hey.
Oh no. So,
all you Star Wars fans out there, you should buy this.
you should buy this, or do you think he's a little bit tough to handle at first?
You should buy. What? Now down is down, and now up is up.
I'm guessing it depends on which way his body is turned.
Yeah, that's right.
See? Yeah, I think if we would have to give it a review,
I would give it maybe 2.
yeah, it's a little bit tough. There might be some people who are older, maybe teenagers that maybe can run him super good. He's super cute. His sounds are really good. But,
You should buy the DO version because the DO version is actually better.
Well, I've heard some things about the Dio too. Has its own problems. But he is super cute. He's great for little sounds and he feels good and sounds good. But there's just some little manufacturing
a lot of problems
flaws.
with him. Because look at, there's like, you can put it up like that, like you can make it stuck. And like, there's like buttons in here. Comments down below. What are these buttons supposed to be for?
Maybe to change his direction. We should probably read the directions.
It didn't.
Imagine that.
Oh! No, it didn't.
All right, so our official review of the BB-8 Hyperdrive remote control is maybe like a 2 out of 5 because he's cute, he makes good sounds, but his head falls off. No offense, BB-8. And
a bunch. Don't forget, a bunch.
Drive. All right. So until we see you next time, this is our review on the BB-8 Hyperdrive remote control.
Please like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Vaughn Plays and Mommy.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.